Tuesday, June 4th, 6 p.m. Mountain Time, 2019. Guys, we're here at the Ghost 16 Infrared. We've been watching very closely down here in the southern Gulf of Mexico a collection of energy that at one point had a chance of becoming a named hurricane. But the system is very unorganized. It's taking a rather quick approach now towards South Texas, and it's becoming very unorganized. It's not going to become a hurricane. In fact, the last update from the National Hurricane Center is giving this a 0% chance of cyclone formation in the next 48 hours. However, this storm system is going to be bringing a lot of moisture up to the coast of Texas and inland in southern Louisiana. We're here at VentureSky.com, and right now the majority of this moisture associated with this unorganized storm system is going to stay offshore. Some of the totals, though, are very, very impressive here at VentureSky.com. You're looking at, in some cases, over 20 inches of rain associated with this storm system that's moving towards Texas. As long as it stays offshore, that's not a problem. They're 18 very, very close to the shore. There's an area of 23.5 inches offshore down in the South Texas area. Up in the Houston area, you're still going to see 4, maybe 5 inches of rain near Houston, Sugarland. If this thing moves any way near the northwest area, it's going to bring probably a foot of rain inland. Right now, it's not. However, it's going to bring at least 10 inches of rain to parts of southern Louisiana. Near Lake Charles, southeast of Lake Charles, you're seeing here at Venture Sky showing 10 inches, 7 inches, 11 inches. You go up by Lafayette, 8 inches, New Iberia, 7 inches. So a lot of rain is associated with this very unorganized system that is not going to be a named hurricane, but that doesn't mean it still can't bring a lot of moisture with it. And that's going to definitely be the case. That's VentureSky.com. The dark burgundy is heavy, heavy rainfall totals. Windy.com is showing the same thing pretty much, just in different areas. Beaumont looking at 4.5 inches of rain, potentially almost 5, 8.9 inches south of Beaumont. Over in the College Station area of Texas, 4.2. So it's showing a slightly different area of accumulations for heavy rain, but again, this is still in the early stages, and this thing is moving very quickly. And you can thank the wind shear, the upper level wind shear, for keeping this thing offshore and becoming unorganized. If we click on the wind shear, you can see the red lines that are moving this storm system from left to right. That would be west to east, keeping it offshore and unorganized. So right now, no hurricane, but the moisture is moving north. Does have the possibility of making landfall. Some of the moisture totals are quite impressive, in the 10 to 20 inch range here at VentureSky.com. Hopefully that stays offshore, but just be prepared, guys, because this is moving very fast. It's kind of erratic right now. If those wind shear patterns change any at all and allow this moisture to move north inland, you could be looking at 3 to 4 inch an hour rainfall totals very, very quickly. So right now, no, you shouldn't see that. Maybe in some isolated areas near Sugarland, near the Houston metropolitan area, could see 4, maybe 5 inches of rain. But overall, the majority of the rain, thankfully, is going to stay offshore. Right now, no chance of a hurricane formation, according to the National Hurricane Center. Here I've got some awesome sky photos that I want to share with you guys that have been sent in recently. This is just a few of the dozens that I've received. You can find all of those photos at the Sky Phenomena Photo Gallery at the website. Here's a colorful cloud in the sky sent in by Heath Jack. And moving on, this is just a slideshow that I put together. Alpharetta, Georgia. This photo was sent in by Alan. And I also received from another individual in Atlanta, which is near Alpharetta, of the same sky phenomenon, photos taken this morning. Received both of these photos this morning at the same time. This is from Atlanta, taken by Debbie. They stepped outside and noticed a very spectacular sky over Georgia. Romania, Andra sent in this vertical lightning phenomenon we're seeing. They're seeing it over in Romania too. She said she didn't actually see it as it was flickering so fast, but I've had people tell me they've seen that with the naked eye, those vertical like panels associated with the lightning. Jeff, Saskatchewan. Beautiful sunset out of Canada. MJ sent this photo in. I've had it a couple of days. It looks like a triangle shape of some sort above the sun in this photograph. It's crystal clear. That is definitely some sort of a triangle, or it's a cloud shaped exactly like a triangle. Here's some ominous looking clouds out of Bucharest. These photographs you see here, this one and the next one, were sent in by Marianne right before or during a thunderstorm over in that area. Some very ominous looking clouds. Queensland, Australia, big halo, big sun halo, sent in by Paul. Thank you, Paul. Woodlands, Texas, Douglas noticed big triangle-shaped cloud in the sky. Huge triangle-shaped cloud. These next photographs were sent in from Thailand, and they're the only clouds in the sky. They're over by the sun at sunset, and they've got some very unique shapes to them. Don't know how they got there. They're all by themselves. And like I said, they're the only clouds in the sky. And this last one you see here looks like some sort of a pelican or a bird with a very long beak. Very unique photographs out of Thailand. These next photographs sent in by Jimmy from Bourbonnais, Illinois, look like something you'd see in an art gallery. Just absolutely beautiful photographs taken of the sky from Bourbonnais, Illinois. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, everybody, for sharing your great pictures, sky phenomena. They're always incredible. Dade City, Florida, sent in by North Star Danes. This was more than likely created by upper-level winds streaking the clouds. Here we've got a ghost sun phenomena. We've had ghost moons, we've had ghost jets, ghost planes, ghost birds, and now we're seeing a ghost sun to the left of the sun from Lincoln City, Oregon. This photo was sent in by Renee. I don't know all the details behind this, if it was taken behind a window or not. If you take a photo of sunset, or sunrise for that matter, from behind a window, you will get this dual sun effect. I don't know if that's the case here or not, but it does look like some sort of a dual sun in the photograph. Probably just some sort of a reflection, not really sure. North Texas, this photograph was sent in by Todd of a horizontal rainbow. Looks like it could be the lower part of a halo. Then again, it may not be. Nathan noticed a individual sunbeam protruding through one little hole in the sky. Alaska, this was sent in by William, and this one here was just too good not to share. Looks like a big giant set of eyes looking down over Alaska. This is from a Skycam, actually 2 sets of eyes. From, I think this is the same Skycam. This was observed by William from over in Alaska. And as I mentioned earlier, the website, MrMBB333.com, the Sky Phenomena Photo Gallery you can find here in the center of the website. The white tab, the blue tabs are all real-time data, updated 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The Sky Phenomena Photo Gallery is updated every day with new photos. You can find a lot of new photos. All the photos you saw in the video are in the Sky Phenomena Gallery, plus a lot of other videos that have been sent in today, yesterday, and in fact, the last couple of weeks. We upload new photos to the gallery every single day. The daily report up here at the top's the newsroom. That is updated with new news stories, updated at least once a day, sometimes multiple times a day. All right, guys, that's all I got for now. Let's hope this moisture that's associated with this storm system that at one time had a chance of becoming a named hurricane, it's not going to become a named hurricane, but it's still going to bring a ton of moisture north with it. And right now, the majority of that moisture is going to stay offshore, with the exception of deep south Louisiana. But there are rainfall totals, according to VentureSky.com, of 20 plus inches of rain offshore by tomorrow night, Wednesday night at 11 p.m. So just a big heads up. Be ready, guys. If this storm changes direction, if this wind shear you see right here changes direction or disappears altogether, then that storm system could make a landfall. Right now, we can thank the wind shear for keeping it off land. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.